for the thrill of it. Say that it's love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one, then move right on to another bitch.
Yo, welcome to the vlog.
College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show was far, you the only one with a girl, your girlfriend. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact of the thrill they chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place, and you're game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there.
Walking on the street, hoping I explain. Talking to myself,
Just traveling the world,
when I see you again.
trying different drugs and girls.
We are always running for the thrill of it, always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All alone, we are calling out again, never looking down, I'm just ignoring what's in front.
Good morning. Right now it's almost 6 a.m. The sun's like barely just coming out right now, but I just met up with Troy. Bro, I barely even slept, bro. I literally slept like, I think like 1 hour. But it's lake day. We're about to head up to Lake Folsom today. Actually different from the intro you guys saw with my friends at Lake Tahoe. But yeah, right now we're heading up to Lake Folsom. It's around like Sacramento area. So about like a 2-hour-ish drive, maybe a little bit more. So yeah, let's start driving, I guess. I'm tired, bro. Hopefully I don't fall asleep during this drive. But we cruising with Troy and he just put on new wheels. So I get to watch his car rolling while we drive. And I'm also not a morning person whatsoever. I literally hate waking up in the morning. I don't know, I wish I was a morning person because I feel like I would be so much more productive. But yeah, I don't know why I just can't get myself to get up in the mornings. So I always end up getting out of bed at like 12 or 2, to be honest. But when I do get the chance to wake up in the mornings, I enjoy it. And there's something about a crispy morning air that's just nice, you know what I mean?
You nigga been hating way too long. Too long. How about that? I'm with the AP, spent 200K, they told me that frost, rainbow face, they hope I fall off, ain't no way, I might be alright, but it ain't okay, niggas got left, niggas went right, I went left and stay left, and ain't nothing the same, they run their lips, I put my purple and step in my foot in the pedal of rain, spinning shit like I'm ahead of the game.
One venti iced latte with sugar-free vanilla, please. Bro, I'm so tired. We're getting coffee right now. We at Starbucks. I got a venti. Usually I never get a venti, but I need that coffee right now, bro. And I hate being tired, bro. It's like you know when you sleep and then you know you gotta wake up early and then you end up like not sleeping at all because like you know you gotta wake up and you're scared you're not gonna wake up. That's literally what happened to me last night, bro. So I ended up sleeping only like 1 hour, but we're almost here. Just met up with the homies. About to head over to the lake after, and I'm probably gonna take a fat ass nap on the lake. But let's have a good time, bro. And I brought this jacket. This morning I woke up so early, it was like 50 degrees. But at the lake later, it's about to be like 100, bro. So right now we're at El Dorado Hills. And yeah, our forest about to be 102 degrees, bro. Sheesh.
I got today's menu is the caramel iced macchiato.
What'd you get?
I got a chai latte. But I don't fuck with Starbucks though. If you guys go to Phil's, it's way better. Bro, because if you're a worker and you tell them you work there, like you can just kind of like get a free drink.
Oh really?
Yeah, like
You
a
ever
freebie.
prove it though or not?
Yeah, you could. Like if they ask you, yeah, but like for the most part, nah.
Really?
Yeah. Thinking about it.
Bro, you didn't think I was gonna go?
No, I thought you were gonna go wake up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You and this motherfucker.
Hold up, bro.
He takes a screenshot of sending like you guys awake. It's already 5:43. I was like, bro. I said we're about to be in the middle. Look, we can tow that shit. We can tow y'all too with the jet.
Just put it in there for now.
Yeah, bro. This motherfucker brought him bro.
What if that shit breaks off? No, it's gonna like rip off, bro.
Then y'all gonna be out the road back, bro. We got this thing. Feel me?
What is that?
Bro, look, bro. We gonna pull y'all with on the jet ski. Look at that, bro. 2 people. This shit hella big too.
You got a life vest for me, bro?
No, the jet ski's got 2. The
Like,
2.
I can use
I think, yeah, the jet ski got 2. Yeah, bro.
You want one?
We got
I have one for me and one for him.
Well, y'all got chairs?
No, I thought you brought one.
You better find a log to sit down on, my boy.
Y'all fucking with the shades. These are Troy's, but he said I could wear them. Nah, it's cool, bruh. I get copyrighted all the time. Yeah.
You don't love them anymore.
You two don't love me like that.
Let's go.
Yeah, you about to get hella bugs in your
Too many
with your windows down, bruh.
You feel me? Buy one get one 50%. Buy one get one free.
That lame ass color, bro.
What?
My shit,
Where'd you buy that?
Bro, that's the expensive one, bro. How much is that? 100?
100.
$100 because he can't swim. I don't even need that. I don't even need
That's
this
why.
shit.
That's why you got a girly one, boy.
I don't got.
That's why you got a girly one. You had to buy the women's section.
So he mad, bro. He just.
He had to go in the women's section. That shit.
Damn, that shit is legit, bro.
Oh, this not be mine, bro. This is my girl's.
It still fits you though.
See, I'm matching with the glasses too.
You actually want that one?
Oh yeah. I'm ready to swim.
Damn, our shit brand new.
Shit, brand new.
But it's $100, but it's buy one get one
Damn,
free.
make it look like you got a 6-pack, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
do.
The fuck?
I do. You're playing me, bro. Where the fuck is you patting at, bro?
I know, bro. That's what I was looking for too, bro.
Look at this
I'm
patty.
like, bro, am I gonna
Nah,
fuck?
your shit too padded, bro.
Alright, my shit for the. You know how like
You better start flying,
I'm
bro.
about to fly off the tube and I'm gonna start like, bouncing like a pebble. But your ass wanna go straight down.
Look, you're supposed to do it up here.
This dumbass.
He got the buckles on his shit.
People saw it never been in the water.
He for sure drowning.
But show you drowning. Come on, bro. You feel me? Okay, I see you. That shit matching. It's like a, you know, like with cops and shit.
Yeah, that's how they be standing and shit.
Yeah. They'd be like,
Cops be like,
what happened? Yeah, down there. So the rule is, bro, like you see past the cones, before the cones, you gotta be 5 miles per hour.
"Wait, what?"
5 miles, like 5 miles per hour.
That's like the slow. Like you gotta be
Yeah,
slow.
before the cones, and after that you can go as fast as you can.
Ain't nobody in the water, bro.
No, but it's just like a rule, bro. You finna get ticketed. Watch.
Really?
Yeah, just like.
Maybe
God damn, bro.
Packed my bags, time to move on.
You got the jet skis and shit.
Yes, sir.
Damn, bro.
Victor vlogs. Both Victors.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
America.
No drowning today.
Hopefully this is good enough, bro. That should look like a $10 life vest.
How much is yours, bro?
100.
100? Just cause yours 100, bro. Yo, this shit looking scary, bro.
It is scary, bro. I ain't gonna
Oh, shit. Oh, savage. Bro, that shit gonna tip over?
I ain't gonna lie, this
Shit.
motherfucker light, bro.
Should I wear my shoes or not? Bro, we just rode this shit. Tell me what happened, bro. Tell me what happened, bro.
Flip this over, bro. Flip the camera, flip the camera.
Nah, it was you, bro. Bro, we fucking tipped over. Bro, my shirt's all wet. Bro, look at them, bro. Dry as hell. Y'all dry as hell, bro.
It's cool, we just like hit it like here.
Oh, shit.
But it's not like
Bro, my shirt is drenched, bro. We fucking fell off the jet ski, bro. Fucking jeans tipped over.
Drinking all night and all day. Driving 90 on the highway.
Bro, this shit puddling up, bro.
It's so damn hard to hold on to this shit.
Yeah. Alright, move over. Here, Troy, you want it too, bro? 3 people? Yeah, 3 people.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Just go straight, bro. Just go straight. Nah, don't be swinging that shit, bro.
Cause every day we just grow Cause every day we just
That's it for this clip.
Just rode the jet skis. Getting a little hungry now. Chef me up a little burger. double. We got the homies over there chefing up burgers. Vibes are immaculate right now.
Well, I just had like deja vu, bro. Like I dreamt this moment, bro. Really? Yeah, like you were sitting right there and you eat shit. Shut the fuck up. Nah, dead ass, bro.
Hello, deja vu.
Bro, that shit tripped me out.
Like, wait a minute.
Like I've seen it before, bro. Like in a dream. It's hella weird. Like that shit always happens.
Like,
I know but when I dream of it, I'm like, bro, like how could this ever happen?
And then like when it happens right here, you're like, ain't no way.
Yeah, it was just like this scene right there where you were holding that chip, bro, and you're sitting in the seat, and there's a lake right there. And it was you, bro. That shit tripped me out.
bring it back.
Bro, and there's like a name for it. It's called Deja Reve. Like it didn't actually happen, but you feel like you dreamed it. Yeah.
We ran into an issue. Hey, don't record this, Victor. This is gonna be this might don't record. This might be used in legal action. Yeah, we don't want that shit on the legal action. This motherfucker wasn't working when we first got it.
Fucking owner company. That should be a heavier motherfucker. No, we're good, we're good. Oh, David, be careful, man. Be careful, man. You ain't got no leverage up in here. I can't touch the floor.
Look, we need to back it up a little bit.
I can't touch the floor, bro. No, I'm short. Ready?
Yeah, David, what's up?
No, 3, 0. What are you doing, David? 3, 2, 1. Oh shit! What? David! Where David?
We out here. Y'all know about the shades, bruh. We've been at the lake for, let's see how long we've been here, bro. Feels like we've been here like forever. It's 2:50 right now. We got here at like, I wanna say 9. Been here for like 5 hours. Apparently they just broke the freaking jet ski that we're renting. I don't know. Apparently it won't start.
Stop snitching to the vlog. Turn that shit off.
Oh shit, not smoking. That shit needs an alignment.
I got beats. Hey, bro, push me out. Push me out, bro.
Yeah, you too big, bro.
Come on, my gang.
You too big, bro.
She said she leaving her boyfriend. She wanna meet me at the Ritz-Carlton.
She looking pretty, she looking gorgeous. We making love, but we heartless. She want ass shots, give her face shots. Back at the Maybach, go hug his leg, yeah.
Should I start rolling or what? Yeah. Jeez. Troy's letting me drive his whip. This thing is sick. Brought the daily, brought my mom's car, and he wants to whip that, so sure. He can gladly whip that while I whip his freaking sick ass WX. Jeez. Listen to the intake, y'all. Damn. Too good, bro.
I do gravity above the stars.
Happy birthday to you.
When you bring your thought friends, you let everybody know. When you sing to not friends, you let everybody go. Baby girl, hop in, we going everywhere but broke. Like we always do with this.
She gon' eat the coochie for promote.